Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how to make a simple origami heart with a bow. This is a very common model, you may have come across similar versions on the internet, but this variation I've made allows you to use two colors, one for the heart and the other for the bow. To make this origami you'll need a square piece of paper, which can be any size you want. As the first step, you need to fold it in half. Unfold, and now fold both sides to the middle, dividing the paper into 4. We can start with the right side. Just bring it to the mark we made, keeping as aligned as possible. Then do the same with the other side. Unfold completely, and the paper is divided into 4 vertically. For the next step, fold it in half horizontally. Then fold the bottom and top side to the middle, dividing it into 4 once again. Now we have a 4x4 grid. For the next step, let's flip the paper over and fold it in half along the diagonals, making an X. To do this, just bring one corner to the other like this. Reinforce the crease. Then unfold and fold the opposite diagonal. Turn it over, and using the marks we made, push the 4 sides to the center, closing the paper like this. Leave 2 flaps on each side, creating a triangle, and reinforce all creases. Now, using the existing line, fold the top corner, then open the bottom, and starting on the right side, open the part that is upwards, and then flatten the paper to the side, turning it into a triangle. The same thing with the other side, just open and flatten. For the next step, a little attention. Starting on the right side, we have to close this triangle we made. And bring the corner up, closing the paper along the existing line. After that, flatten the bottom part, creating a smaller triangle. Now on top, I have a purple square and below a small pink triangle. Let's repeat the same step on the other side. Now bring these triangles up and repeat the same on the bottom side. So again, open the paper, bring the side to the middle, folding the triangle in the middle, repeat the same thing with the last one. Finishing this step, we can bring the middle layers down again. Very well. Going back to the other side, we have another triangle. For now, let's turn the paper, leaving this triangle down, and fold the top part. I recommend folding the paper more or less here, a little below these corners on the other side. Now open the left side and we need to flatten the paper, connecting the middle to this top corner here, more or less like this. So, I'll bring the paper up and simply reinforce the crease. We can fold the extra paper up here and then fold this new corner down. The left side is done. Let's repeat the same step on the right. As before, let's first open and flatten the paper upwards, connecting the corner to the middle. Fold the extra paper. And finally, fold the new corner down. We have the top part of the heart. Let's turn it over again. And now we'll make the bottom side. To do this, open this layer like this and flatten the paper to the middle. Bring the top corner down and we have the right side. Repeat the same on the left side. Now let's fold a bit of these middle layers diagonally. To color change this part, let's unfold, open this layer, and reverse the paper in these two lines we made. Then we can close it as before. Repeat the same step on the other side. With this, the entire bow part has now another color. As the final detail to make it look nicer, we need to open these middle layers, making it slightly round, like this. Try to repeat the same on the other side. And the origami heart is ready! It's not a very complex model, but it has a very beautiful result. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.